Holy crap. He gonna die. The alternator's bad.
Look at the battery.
Battery's plumbed in on it. Yeah.
That's bad alternator for you.
Oh yeah. Old rusty turd. He's probably getting ready to die.
Yeah.
I'd say it did.
That motor ain't having it, but it's a 302, so it's going to handle it. Yeah, you got to play around with it, keep it running. Turn the headlights on. Yeah, they're pretty dim.
What happened? What? Well, I'll flip on the high beams. See the mile an hour gauge.
Yeah,
and then it'll turn off the mileage.
Yeah.
And it'll reset it.
Yeah, something stuck in my foot.
Yeah. Little bird.
Yeah. Oh, let's show them the steering. Yeah, we've drove this truck like that.
It's all forms, yeah.
How long's this truck been sitting here in this spot?
About 2 months.
First time it's been started in 2 months. And we're just backfiring it through a check-in and code and everything. How many miles is it reading? 153,000?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, 153,996.7.
That's how much it has at the moment. See, we'll start back.
Oh no, it's done dead.
Not hardly anything.
Yeah, it ain't going to.
Put her in gear so she won't roll. What? This is a 95, 150, 302, 50.
5 speed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not that that means something, but it'll save something. Well, we'll fire up again one day and we'll drive her around sometime.
Well, maybe once I get an alternator for it.
Yeah.
That's all. Well, I think it's all she needs.
Yeah.
It's all it needs to keep herself.
A lot of people would probably say why, and I mean the reason why it ain't. Well, a lot of people would just probably say it's just unhooked. Well, it did smoke real bad, didn't it?
Yeah, it smoked and it smelled burnt and it wouldn't charge. It just run the battery dead.
Yeah.
It wasn't no good.
Nah.
This thing's set for 8 months before I got it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then I got her.
That's why it smells like dead gas.
Yeah.
Because it's running on that old crappy gas.
Yeah, and the gas tanks leak because they've been patched.
Was them dents already there when you got it?
Yeah. I ain't been able to put no dents in it.
Yeah.
Ain't been able to run her.
Yeah.
Use her on the farm. Closes her minty hood.
Man. I mean, it's a Ford. I mean, you ain't got to worry about too much.
Nah.
Even though a Chevy had to jump start it, but a Ford's still better.
Well, Chevy took off doing a nice little one-wheel pill through my grass.
Yeah.
Good tires on her.
And stuff on the back. There's a toolbox and everything.
And the toolbox was full of stuff from last fella owned it. But it's junk and the latch don't half work. Much junk. And my flatbed that I'm gonna cut down and put new boards on, put on my other truck.
That's what you're gonna put on your Dodge, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not unless I find me a good bed for cheap.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna be much of a video, but
yeah, there'll be more coming on his channel too.
Oh yeah.
I post that like every few weeks, so or whenever I can. So that's probably
Good looking turd.
yeah. What do you think of that front license plate?
Yeah. I don't know what the hell that sticker's supposed to be.
It's like an eagle or something.
I think it's what it was.
It was
Till it started peeling off.
Yeah.
Ford.
Yep.
Fix or repair daily.
That's first on race day now.
Not for this truck.
Well, not for this particular one.
No.
Yeah, we'll have to do an old start video on that Ranger you got there one day.
Yeah, got an old Ranger down there in the barn tucked back in there. I rolled 5 years ago, 4.
Oh, 5, I think?
It's somewhere around in there.
What was it, 2014 you rolled it?
15.
15, so about
4 years.
about 4 years probably.
Yep. Just a video of a couple fellers making an old truck backfire.
Yeah.
Nothing special about this one.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can rob this here B&M shifter off of her. See if I can throw it on one of my other trucks. There ain't much special to it. Still a bunch of old junk in it from the last feller.
Yeah.
I can't even turn on my daggone flashlight so y'all don't see anything. But she ain't much. Neither window motor hardly work.
You have to manually roll it down yourself.
Yeah, you just grab it and yank them down. Just don't go too far, then you can't get them back up.
Have you had that happen?
Yeah. That's why there's chips right along here somewhere. Right there. There's little chips in the window where I took pliers and yanked it back up out of there.
Yeah. It's not like you're going to daily drive this thing.
Nah. I got other vehicles for that.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it. It's an off-road XL